I'll just present quickly Mercator Ocean and some of our activities in Africa. To give you an idea, I'm sure most of you know Mercator, and now we have this new project. It's the very first time we have a concrete project working with Africa that the European Union has entrusted to us to implement. So we are a nonprofit organization specialized in digital oceanography, in the process of transforming into an intergovernmental organization. So we were created in 1995. We started off with research projects, really trying to improve operational oceanography capabilities. And this has been going on throughout the years. Then we started with Copernicus Marine Service, working on implementing operational infrastructures. And within the wake of the Ocean Decade, we've now started this new phase going into policies and governance. And so we've been evolving with operational oceanography, and this has been really, really impressive. So we are about 120 people. We're based in Toulouse. We have some members in Madrid, in Barcelona. We have 3 core missions: so to describe the ocean environment in a digital way, to provide ocean services and build capacity, and also to support ocean programs and policies. We are a trusted entity of the European Union, and we've been implementing a number of programs and services for them, including Copernicus Marine Service, Wikio, which is the Copernicus entry point for all environmental data. We've also have the Copernicus Coastal and Arctic hubs. We have the European Digital Twin Ocean, which my colleague Marina will speak about tomorrow, and the platform that we have developed together with our partners. We have another project, EU for Ocean Ops, which is very focused on ocean governance, working closely with the G7 Future of Seas and Oceans Initiative and Geopen Planet, which some of you might be aware of. And of course, we also have mandates with the IoT UNESCO, and this is the Decade Collaborative Center that Enrique just presented. So we have some priorities coming up. This is really this transformation into international, intergovernmental organization. This process was initiated in 2022 at the One Ocean Summit by 6 European member states. We have invited all the 31 participating member states of Copernicus to join us on this endeavor. And we hope to start with signatures at UNOC coming up in June. We are also very heavily invested in building this digital ocean infrastructure, also known as the European Digital Twin Ocean, in support of this EU Ocean Pact, which is this coordinated, holistic approach to all ocean matters in Europe across all different ministerial levels. And of course, the third pillar is really building this global ocean prediction community, and this is where the Decade Collaborative Center comes in and this OPERA project. So this, in a nutshell, is our priorities ahead of UNOC. And then, just to give you some statistics on some of our programs that have been very successful in Africa, the Copernicus Marine Service, which most of you should be aware of, we have about 4,200 users in Africa out of 8,000 registered users, mostly coming from universities, public sector, some from private company sector, and these users are mostly interested in variables related to ocean health, marine conservation, biodiversity, climate adaptation, and hazards, climate hazards, extreme hazards. So we have a really good, strong follow base in users. Our top users, South Africa, a lot in Northern Africa, but we also have Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya. So, and this is only growing because we have capacity building programs, which I'll speak about in a minute. Some of the top products used by our users in Africa, also global ocean physics analysis and forecast, that's really the top. So as I said, we do have some training opportunities. We've been having these editions of the Marine Data for Africa training sessions online, and the participants have been really growing over the years, and they found it really, really useful. We have some training opportunities together with our GEMS in Africa colleagues. We try and work with partners on the ground. So just to give you an idea that we've been really engaged with training. We've also been trying to engage private sectors through different ways, working with Ocean Innovation Africa Summit, the World Economic Forum. We also had a hackathon, And the winner of this hackathon actually went on to be onboarded by one of these big societies, and she actually managed to launch her aquaculture business. So it's been quite successful. We also have GB Planet, which is a group of on-Earth observations, coastal and ocean component. And the GB Planet EU office is hosted by Mercator Ocean International, and we've had some stakeholder engagement activities, including a symposium in Ghana in 2022 and a workshop last year in Nairobi, which some of you attended. So we have a number of actions, and this has really helped us build this network of partners and collaborators in Africa, and really giving us a strong basis to start this opera project. And I think I'll stop there. Thank you.